can. I am here today to say happy birthday and congratulations to you and the Fat Quarter Shop on this special day. When I think back about all the years I've known you, I feel so blessed to have had you in my life. I've watched you grow your business from your house to a warehouse, and I am just so proud of you. You've done this through hard work, determination, and yet you've combined it with compassion and kindness. You are like a shining star in my life. And you've helped so many of us grow our businesses. I just can't tell you how much you mean to me, but congratulations and happy birthday.
Hi Kimberly, hi Fat Quarter Shop, happy birthday. Oh my heck, I can't believe it's been 18 years. I have loved working with you, and I hope to continue working with you for 18 more years. Happy birthday and have a great day.
Hey Kimberly, happy birthday to you and everyone at Fat Quarter Shop. Thank you for everything you guys have created for our industry.
Hey Kimberly, congratulations to you and to your team on 18 amazing years. Love you guys so much.
Hello Kimberly and Fat Quarter Shop gang, and happy birthday to all of you guys. I'm so excited that you are celebrating so many years of success with Fat Quarter Shop. And I do remember that you guys were one of the first online shops that I visited back in the day, and it's so fun to see how far you guys have come. So I wish you the very best in the years going forward. Congratulations.
Hey everyone, it's Gina with Red Graffiti. Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop. It's so awesome to be able to be part of your team. I get to see so many awesome projects and beautiful fabrics, and it's just really wonderful. So I want to make sure I say thank you in addition to happy birthday. Thank you Kimberly, Kevin, everyone in the warehouse, everyone in customer service and the social media department. It's so Emma, y'all are wonderful. So have a wonderful day and happy birthday, woohoo!
Hey Kimberly, what a day. You're celebrating 18 years with Fat Quarter Shop. That is so amazing, and I'm honored to be a part of your celebration. I know how hard you work and what all goes into everything you do at Fat Quarter Shop, and I just want you to know we are all so proud of what you have given to the quilting community. So I hope you feel special on this day. I'm packing you a little present for you to open up, and I just want you to know again how much, as a designer and fabric person, all the help you've given us through these years. So have a great day and happy birthday.
Hi Kimberly.
Hi.
We're stopping in to say congratulations on 18 years with Fat Quarter Shop.
Congratulations.
We're so excited for you. I just wanted to share quickly how much that your Jolly Jabber blog and your business inspired me starting my blog, which led to everything else that we're doing today.
And I just want to say, I remember coming to film with you, and it was just such a great experience for me and so much fun. We love you and we love Fat Quarter Shop.
Yes. Congratulations once again.
Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop. I cannot believe you guys are turning 18 years old. I mean, you are technically an adult, and that's a pretty big accomplishment. I just wanted to say how grateful I am for all of you over there. Kimberly, you have done so much for me and for my business for the last 14 years, and I am just so grateful to have had the opportunity to work with you guys, to publish with all of you, and to buy more fabric than I'll ever need from your shop. So thank you so much for all that you do. You have changed the quilting world, and we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop, Kimberly and Kevin. Who would have known 18 years ago when you sat at your kitchen table that you would now have this big, beautiful company full of unique products, including these gorgeous blue boxes, which I have quite a few of. I wish you a wonderful birthday celebration. Woohoo! Mwah.
Happy Fat Quarter Shop birthday, Kimberly. I seriously can't believe that we have both been doing this for over 18 years. I know that we started at about the same time. We were babies in the industry together, and it's been such a crazy ride. We have, what, 7 kids between the two of us, tons more fabric than we know what to do with, and a lot more gray hairs. Well, at least I do. I think yours are hiding a little bit better than mine. Wishing you the best birthday celebration, and congratulations to what Fat Quarter Shop has become and what you and Kevin have made it to be. Congrats. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop. We're the real housewives of cross stitch.
You're a superstar, Kimberly.
We're so proud of you, and we can't wait to see what the next 18 years brings. Thank you so much for all you've done.
Bye.
Hello, Fat Quarter Shop. This is KATHRIN Brewer, congratulating you from Make-A-Wish on your anniversary. We are so grateful for your heart and your soul and what you've done for us. Even this year, you're already raising in almost no time at all, I think $70,000. But over time, since 2014, you have raised over $500,000. We're showing $564,000 right now. And between you, Moda Fabrics, and United Notions, you've directly contributed over $100,000. It's a huge amount for us. It's granted so many wishes. You have changed millions of lives, not only of our kids, but of their families and their supporters. So thank you so much for all you do, and wish you the best. Your family is beautiful, and both the Jolly family and your community of Fat Quarter. So thank you so much for being a part of us.
Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop. You've aged beautifully, and I wish you many more years of success and fun fabrics. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Fat Quarter Shop.